In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings for your profile. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review and adjust important settings that help keep your account secure and your information more private. First, make sure you're logged into your account in a web browser. Once you're on the main homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This takes you into the section that's all about you and gives you access to more detailed controls over your account. After clicking your profile, you'll see a menu open up. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where most of the controls related to your account, your data, and your visibility are grouped together. Click on Settings and Privacy. If you don't see it immediately, it might be under a small drop-down arrow or menu icon in the same area at the top right, so make sure to expand that menu if needed. Once Settings and Privacy is open, you'll see several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. Think of this page as the control center where you can manage your personal information, how people find you, and how secure your account is. On the left-hand side of the settings page, or sometimes in a list of sections, you'll see different categories. The one you want to choose is called Password and Security. Go ahead and click on that. Even though it might sound like it's just about your login details, this section is closely connected to your privacy because it helps control who can access your account and how well it's protected. Inside Password and Security, you can review settings like your current password, any alerts for unrecognized logins, and additional security options such as two-factor authentication. Taking a moment here to strengthen your password and turn on extra protection is an important part of keeping your profile private and safe. That's all you need to do to reach the privacy-related security controls for your profile. From here, you can explore the options available and adjust them according to your comfort level, making sure your account stays both secure and under your control.